It's that time again. All right, guys, this past Sunday I did a YouTube live where I actually used the One Blade Pro and trimmed down this goatee. And then the other day I followed it up with just a cleanup using the Schick Hydro 5 cents. I'm gonna stay with Schick for the next cleanup. So I'm gonna knock off this stubble, this 2-day growth here, and I'm gonna keep going with the goatee, see how it goes. So today I'm gonna be giving you a look at the Schick Quattro. I have a nice new blade that I'll add to this. And then I'll go with a little beard oil from the fine folks at Cremo. Now this beard oil will help soothe the itch that's coming. There's also a scruff softener that you can use in the shower. I'll do a review of that again in some upcoming days. Now the Schick Quattro is designed Quattro for blades. If you take a look at this guy, it's got a nice look to it. Nice chrome and white rubber grip handle here. Very nice. Now, a couple of things about this razor. It has, I don't know if you can see that, but it has these fine little metal bars, for lack of a better term, that protect the face, that sort of are a barrier between your face and the razors. And the razors are pretty tightly compacted there. So this helps kind of a wedge also. So this helps with smoothness and reduction of irritation. But I find with thicker creams, especially oil-based creams, this head gets clogged pretty easily. So I'll jump into the shower now. I'll get my face steamed up and ready to receive this blade or 4 blades, and we'll take it from there. Okay guys, so I've steamed up, showered up, Gillette foam mousse. First of all, it's easiest, just squirt it out of a can. And I know the shaving snobs, the lather snobs are cringing, but I like it because it's nice and light. Goes on light, both in form and in smell. Nice, I want to say citrusy, light smell, guys. And I'm gonna paint this on around the goatee. This is not really a fine trim of the goatee. I'm letting the hair grow a bit so it's easier to trim. And maybe on Sunday I will pull one blade out and do more of a sculpting pass. But just for now, I'm painting the areas that I want to eliminate the 2-day stubble. As always, I'll leave a link below so you can pick up the products I'm using in this video. So as I said, I'm going to use a new Quattro blade. And I'll do a couple passes today just to get down to a nice baby fine, baby smooth face. All right, so here we go. First pass, I'm going to go with the grain. So I'm shaving down on my face because the hair grows down. Here we go, first pass. Nice. Now I don't want to push it with Quattro. I want to keep it clean because it does have the tendency to clog. But it's a nice smooth shave, guys. And that wedge really promotes contact with the face and a nice angle for shaving. And that looks good. Cleaning periodically, a little bit more frequently than you would with, let's say, a typical cartridge razor because of the clogging issues. But it feels good, guys. Nice, firm, smooth strokes. As I say all the time, you want to shave, you don't want to dig. Lots of irritation, lots of cuts and nicks, and redness is because we try to dig into the skin, not to mention ingrown hairs. All right, hair on my neck, as most people's, grows in all different types of directions, but primarily up. So that means I'm gonna flip the blade over and shave with the grain up. And be mindful of that cream, sort of like when you're painting. Be mindful that you stay outside that edge. keep that goatee in play. Not trying to get too fine. Again, I want to give the hair a chance to grow so it's easier to shape in a couple of days. And pronounced Adam's apple, 2 ways to address it. You can slide to the side and shave where the cream is, or you can swallow hard and hold it, and that eliminates the apple from play. All right, pass 1 in the books, guys. I'm gonna lather up real quick, again with my Gillette foam mouse. We'll tackle a cross grain cut. You can do 3 passes if you'd like, or you can just go with 1 cross grain, just for giggles. You hear those blades doing the work though, guys? Again, being mindful of that layer of foam. I do not want to make a mistake. Ooh. Now you got to be careful with the cross cut. You definitely don't want to be digging on this cross cut, guys, because you can really hurt yourself if you take it too fast. But you're eliminating, with this cross grain cut, you're eliminating some of those hairs that just grow out of step. Sort of like some of us. Creep up to that line. And you see how far back I am on the handle. It's gonna promote a little bit of a lighter touch. And that's all you need here. You're not digging, you're shaving. Little grabby on the cross cut, if I'm being honest, with this Quattro. So I'm taking it nice and smooth, nice and slow. And I'm letting the device do all the work, guys. And I'm not pushing it. Again. I'm not going anywhere today. Okay, so there it is. If I went with a pass number 3, I would go against the grain. So on my face, I'd turn this around and go up. And then just the opposite on the neck. But I think I'm good for today. Feels nice. I'll follow this up with some Duke Cannon aftershave balm, some ice cold, and then I'll show you this beard oil again from Cremo, which is awesome. Goatee's looking nice, coming in really cool. Got some gray here, but that's okay. All right, little Duke Cannon ice cold aftershave balm. Never hurt anybody. Nice. A beautiful smell of menthol. And the final touch today, again, guys, I'm showing you this Cremo beard oil. Nice amber solution. We'll take, 3 or 4 drops. And you coat the beard or the goatee. And this provides a soothing sort of layer between or in and around the individual hairs that you have. Coats it up. and really helps beat the itch, guys. Now, the beautiful thing about this product, I have a tendency of having oily skin. The beautiful thing about this product is it really soaks into the hair shaft and doesn't promote oil all over your face. When I use like a gel for my hair, the little hair I have, I feel like I've been putting in a deep fryer for the rest of the day. This, after a couple of minutes, it soaks in and you really don't feel over oily or greasy. So there you have it, guys. A quick cleanup with the Schick Quattro. The goatee's coming in, and maybe, like I said, on Sunday, should I go live again? Leave a comment below. Did you like the Sunday Shave live, or did you not like it? Do you want me to let you know when I'm going live so I can set up a time? Just let me know. Leave a comment below. But in any event, I will see you guys next time, which will probably be before Sunday, maybe even tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know what to do, guys.
You're gonna keep pushing play.
And I'm getting hungry today. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Links below for the products shown in this video. You can grab them on Amazon. You'll be helping you, you'll be helping me. It's a win-win. I'll see you clowns next time. You're gonna keep pushing play.